I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is 148 Talbot in Berserker. This tidy 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, high-set home sits in a peaceful, family-orientated neighborhood and is the ideal entry into the investment market or a perfect first-time home. With ample-sized rooms and hardwood floors, this home is perfect for some upgrades and renovations or set to rent out as is. If you can see the potential in this home, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts at McGrath Estate Agents.